Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Sit-ups versus crunches. Which is better for six-pack ABS? When it comes to sculpting those coveted six-pack ABS, sit-ups and crunches often take center stage in workout routines. But which exercise reigns supreme? Sit-ups are renowned for their full range of motion, engaging multiple muscle groups, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and hip flexors. They provide a comprehensive abdominal workout that targets both upper and lower ABS, making them a staple in many core strengthening regimens. On the other hand, crunches are celebrated for their focus on the rectus abdominis, the muscle responsible for that chiseled midsection. By isolating this muscle group through a shorter range of motion, crunches can effectively enhance definition and create the appearance of a tighter core. Upgrade your home workouts with my Top Gear picks. Check the description for links to the best HIIT workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to main topic. The choice between sit-ups and crunches often depends on your fitness goals and current level of abdominal strength. Beginners may benefit from starting with crunches to build core stability before progressing to more challenging sit-ups. Meanwhile, those aiming for increased muscle mass and overall core strength might incorporate both exercises into a well-rounded workout routine. Remember, consistency and proper form are key to achieving your desired results. Whichever exercise you choose, maintaining a balanced diet and incorporating cardiovascular activities will complement your efforts towards achieving those six-pack ABS. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on maximizing your fitness journey. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Your dedication fuels our commitment to delivering quality health and fitness advice tailored just for you.